All right, Mike, here's your video. Like I said, here's the GMC that we're looking at. I'll just show you real quick so you know that I'm not a liar. There's almost new steer tires on it. Real straight body on it. Mixed match design, but there's still a lot of tread on them. No rust. We don't get anything from up north. There's your fennel hook. Come over here. Same thing. Good tread. No rust. No broken leaf springs. Here's your clubhouse. And what we'll do is we'll start up the engine here, engage the PTO, and I'll dump the bed and everything on it and let you listen to the engine. Go ahead and start it up. I'll let you listen to it. It's real quiet, real smooth. Okay. Sounds good. All right, go ahead and engage your PTO and dump the bed for me. All right, he's gonna dump this bed. There it goes. You can't even hear that PTO, it's so quiet. Go all the way up with it and then come all the way down. Show you all the hydraulics. There's nothing leaking or anything like that. It is a used truck, but it's in good shape, especially for the price. All right, come down with it. All right, Mike, and again, my name's Chris. If you have any more questions about anything, give me a call, or you can give me a call and let me know when your buddy's coming to pick her up, and we'll make sure he gets picked up from the airport. Thanks, sir.